Welcome to Entrepreneurship Cell, VIT Bhopal.
In today's fast-paced world, innovation is the heartbeat of progress.
We stand at the intersection of ambition and opportunity.
Where ideas are nurtured and transformed into impactful realities. We strive to create a dynamic entrepreneurial community
Where aspiring innovators turn ideas
into successful ventures.
From idea to impact,
We aim to empower the next generation of leaders to make the meaningful difference in the world.
Our mission is to cultivate
and empower the emerging visionaries of tomorrow.
By providing comprehensive guidance, we are dedicated to build a dynamic entrepreneurial ecosystem.
We have required a strong roadmap and a collective spirit to stick with that.
mentorship is at the core of what we do. We connect students with experienced mentors who guide them through challenges of starting and scaling a business.
These relationships are invaluable and provide personalized advice and roadmaps to success.
Networking opportunities are abundant. We host regular networking events, allowing students to connect with peers, industry professionals, and potential investors.
At our ECell, we are not just a community, we are a movement, driving the change and shaping the future.
Together,
Let's build
a brighter tomorrow.
Today,